Forms of intermediate code. There are three different forms of intermediate code. Those are abstract syntax tree, Polish notation, and three address code. Abstract syntax tree. Abstract syntax tree are more compact than a parse tree and can be easily used by the compiler. So abstract syntax tree is represented in this format. For example, here consider A star B plus C. So A star B plus C. So this is an compact notation of syntax tree, that is parse tree. For example, consider one more example. E tends to E plus E, E tends to E star E, E tends to E, and E tends to ID. The input string is ID plus ID star ID. So for this, if we construct the abstract syntax tree, so this is our syntax tree or parse tree, and this is the abstract syntax tree. According to the given grammar, this is our abstract syntax tree. Polish notation, it is of three types, that is infix, prefix, and postfix. If between the operands there is an operator, it is called as infix. Before the operands, if there is an operator, it is prefix, and after the operands it is an operator is there, it is called as postfix. So Polish notation is also called as postfix notation or suffix notation. It is useful form of intermediate code if the given language is an expression. Postfix notation is a linear representation of syntax tree. Any expression can be written unambiguously without the parenthesis. For example, x plus y can be written as xy plus. Postfix notation. So these consider the example production and the according semantic rules. For example, consider the productions E tends to E1 operator E2, E tends to E1, E tends to ID. So this production should be written in the form of semantic rules. So it will be written in the form of E dot code is equal to E1 dot code or E2 dot code or operator. Then E dot code is equal to E1 dot code, E dot code is equal to ID. So for example, consider one production Z is equal to A minus B star C minus D plus E plus F by G. So to convert this in the form of postfix notation, so the postfix notation is written as Z is equal to AB minus, this minus is shifted here, star CD minus plus E plus F by G, and Z is equal to AB minus star CD minus plus E F G by plus, and Z is equal to AB minus CD star E F G by plus plus. This is how we convert a notation into postfix notation. So the precedence we are giving here for the parenthesis, the first priority goes on, and next star division, and then plus and minus have the equal priority, star and division also have the equal priority. And consider and one more example here, k plus L minus m star n plus O cap P star W by U by V plus star T plus Q. So this can be converted in this form. So if you do this, you can understand this. Three address code. It is an intermediate code. It is used by optimizing compilers. In three address code, the given expression is broken down into several separate instructions. These instructions can easily translate into assembly language. Each three address code instruction has at most three operands. It is a combination of assignment and a binary operator. In three address code, there is at most one operator on the right side of an instruction. Example, x plus y star z. So here t1, for t1 we are assigning as y star z, and t2 is equal to x plus t1. Here t1 and t2 are compiler generated temporary names. So considering another example, a plus a star b minus c plus d star b minus c. So here t1 we are considering as b minus c, t2 is a star t1, t3 is a plus t2, and t4 is equal to d into t1, and t5 is equal to t3 plus t4. This is how we divide a given expression in the form of three address code. quadruples. In quadruples it has four fields, that is operator, argument 1, argument 2 and result. So here a is equal to minus b star c plus d. So considering this expression, we need to divide it in the form of 3 address code. Then it is will be changed as t1 is equal to minus b, t2 is equal to c plus d, t3 is equal to t1 star t2, a is equal to t3. So in the form of quadruples, if we write, we need to write argument 1, argument 2, operator and result. So in argument 1, what we have here, minus b. So the operator here is unary minus and the result is stored in t1. And next, second instruction. So here the argument 1 is c, argument 2 is d, operator is plus and the result is stored in t2. And third instruction, argument 1 is t1, argument 2 is t2, operator is star and the result is stored in t3. And next, in the fourth statement, argument 1 is t3, operator is equal to and the result is stored in a. And the next one is triples. As the name suggests, it has three fields, operator, argument 1 and argument 2. So based on the given expression, here the argument 1 is b and the operator is unary minus. And in the second expression, the argument 1 is c, argument 1 is 2 and the operator is plus. And in the third expression, here the operator is, here we are considering the numbers here starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So here argument 1 is 0 and argument 2 is 1. That means here we are using b here and here we are using c plus d. So that both are been, the operator is star. And ultimately here the argument 2 is, the argument 1 is 2 and the operator is equal to, that is stored in value 3. So triples are alternative ways for representing syntax tree or directed acyclic graph for program defined names. Argument 1 and argument 2 may be pointers to symbol table for program variables or literal table for constant, or pointers into triple structure for intermediate results. Indirect triples. Indirect triples are used to achieve indirection in listing of pointers. That is, it uses pointers to triples than listing of triples themselves. Examples: a is equal to minus b star d plus c plus of minus b star d. So here what we are going to do is, instead for some statement number, for some values, we are going to assign some indirect values. So here those indirect values will be considered and then the operator and argument 1 and argument 2. So here in place of like serial numbers, for that serial numbers we are going to assign some indirect values. In that values the address is being stored in that values. So there we are going to use the indirect value. So this is the indirect triples. So you need to write that statement number, operator, argument 1 and argument 2. From the before example only we have drawn this table.